Hey Pro Bono crew, it's Claire DeZero here and I'm wishing you the strongest mental health this week. It's Mental Health Week, and because we're in the business of supporting thousands of people in 40 countries now to build their mental health, but not only that, but to build their confidence, their mindset, their resilience and their leadership impact, we wanted to jump into your inbox and just share 3 of the simplest things that you can do to strengthen your mental health, no matter what stage it's at. If you need some healing, if you're coping in life and functioning normally, or if you really are thriving, these 3 things can still really make a difference. So stay tuned. The first is what we call writing a top 5. We love this tool. It's what our business is named after. And for us, that simply means picking up a pen at the end of the day and writing down 5 reasons for remembering that day, positive reasons or good reasons. It doesn't have to be the huge stuff. It can be the little things like finding $1 or perhaps putting in a job application or actually setting some time aside to write that application letter. Whatever it might be, those little tasks that you know give you that boost of belief, self-belief and confidence and positive emotion throughout the day. By actually setting a habit or starting a habit of writing 5 things down a day, you're actually creating the expectation with your brain's filter to look out for the good in the world, to look out for the generosity, the kindness, the luck, the wins, the confidence, the lessons, to actually really change your perspective and over time shift your brain's default, which is usually a negative state for the average person, to a more positive outlook. Now, we think positive thinking is pretty boring, but if you can switch it from a negative to a more encouraging, generous, kind, and productive mindset, that wins down every time over positive thinking. So in a nutshell, pick up the pen. This is about realistic, practical positivity, looking out for 5 things every day and seeing if you can capture them and write them down. Most people grab a pen at the end of the day and write them down, but some people more often than not tell us now that they actually pick up a pen or type them in their phone throughout the day. The benefits are similar. It's about actually stopping, pausing, experiencing that positive emotion and actually getting new neurons and neural connections firing in your brain, which is pretty amazing. It only takes 20 seconds apparently, according to research. So write those top 5s. The second thing we wanted to share with you, it's simple but it works every time and is really good for our mind and our brain and our productivity and our outcomes, is to actually give ourselves a chance in this busy, so connected world where we wear so many hats, a chance to just do one thing at a time, to just do one thing, to be able to breathe, give that task space, give it all of our attention so that we're not one foot in, one foot out, to really show up and to commit to doing one thing at a time. Now, it's unrealistic to think that we can just do one thing all day, every day. We're multitasking machines in this busy world, but one way that we've really found it helpful, our team and our clients, to really carve out some time to give ourselves the chance to do one thing at a time is a good old technique called the Pomodoro Technique. If you've been around here for a while, you would have heard us share this before. It's a goodie. It's really a good one, I promise. It's just setting a timer for 25 minutes and picking one thing to do during that time and concentrating solely on that. It's so great for your focus. It's great for training your brain. It's great for actually getting things done, building momentum, building self-belief and confidence, which of course is all really great for your mental health as well. So the first tip, writing a top 5 every day. The second tip, trying the Pomodoro Technique and setting a timer for 25 minutes to do just one thing at a time. The third tip is about getting rid of your to-do list and writing a to-feel list instead. To help with this, we've created a free worksheet and you can find the links below. It's basically a worksheet that you can print out as many times as you like to set yourself up for the day, not just to be a productivity machine and a to-do list checker-offerer, but to actually be aware of how you're feeling alongside that as well. Are you building more confidence? Are you building more focus? Are you building more fun into your day as you work through those tasks? A really great free resource that you can check out at the links below. So there you have it, folks. There are 3 tips for Mental Health Week, building stronger mental health, no matter if you're struggling, you're coping or thriving already. Any of those states can really benefit from these tools. We've seen them work time and time again. The simple stuff often is the most powerful stuff. Trust us. We've tried all types of simple and complex things, and these things would definitely stand by, hand on heart. A couple of other links I've included below is one to some work I did last year with one of my wonderful peer mentors, Dr. Jacqueline Balch. We created a few resources around Mental Health Week, debunking some of the myths around accessing mental health support and the benefits of not waiting until you're at crisis point to do that. Actually seeking out support and maybe counselling and coaching to really help you focus and build your momentum, build those positive mindset, resilience muscles ahead of the game. So check out those resources below. You'll also find some questions and resources in there around supporting your loved ones to seek mental health support if that's something that would be really helpful. So loads of links below to more resources. Otherwise, we're thinking of you this week. We're sending you loads of thoughts, strong, encouraging, generous and confident thoughts for you, whether you're on your job search, you're just starting to explore it, or if you're just curious around what this mindset business is all about. Wishing you the strongest mental health, the happiest mental health week, and yeah, we look forward to connecting with you soon. Thanks so much.